Okay, we're in Queens. Let's eat some Filipino food. Hi. Do you serve lunch?
Yeah, we're doing lunch.
Oh, nice. Okay, perfect. Amazing. Hello. So what do you have? You have some, is this shumai?
Yeah.
Okay. And then pinakbet.
Yeah.
And this is what? Bicol Express and ginisang langka. These are the options?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay. What do you recommend out of these?
Like the meat, and try the Bicol Express.
Yeah, I'm gonna have the Bicol. That sounds good. Yeah. Perfect.
Black.
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
What's your channel? So I can.
I'll write it down for you for sure. Yeah. This is cool. Hi. Go ahead. So there's all the corned beef. We had that in a previous show. I need to find a snack to have. Oh, you have the
Filipino Foods?
bagoong. I know some of it, yeah. Sinigang mix, cool. Let's see what drinks we can get. Dandan, we've had that. Guyabono, which is the sour sop. Mango nectar and calamansi. Look at they have over here. This is a great market. Wow. Sweet Longganisa, pork tocino. They have the steamed xiao pao, I think it's called, the steamed buns. Of course, the bangas. Whoa. What is this? I've been meaning to try this in a dish. It's called a leito. It's like a sea grape. A seaweed? Oh, there it is, the Miki. I had that in the previous vlog. Cool. Miki noodles. I had that in the Miki buhon. And they have also humba. Someone told me to get humba. Oh, papetan, which is with the bile, goat meat in there. Very cool. Do you have beirut? Do you have beirut?
Yeah, balut and Pinoy.
Where do you have beirut?
The balut is the white case, the blue one is Pinoy.
Which one? The white?
The white case is balut, the blue case is Pinoy.
Beirut.
Blue cream.
This is cool. Look at this little bar here to eat at. And they have all the condiments. I'm gonna eat here. This is cool. This is awesome. It's like actually dining in the Philippines. Like you have the condiments. Let's try a couple of these.
Chicken sausage for me?
Yeah, whatever you want. Bring it on. That's called bola bola, or what is it called?
One is chicken Longganisa
But-
sausage. I just give it for you.
But is it the one from Iriokos?
No, it's not.
It's the just straight Longganisa.
Yeah, chicken
Okay,
and beef.
perfect. Okay, amazing. Thank you. Okay, so we have some bicol. Okay, let's try some of this bicol. This is maybe my favorite. Some rice. This might be my favorite dining room in the city. Oh boy. If at first you fail, try again. You get that coconut, some good spice. So creamy. That's so good. And some of the sitao, which is I think the green bean. Let's try that. I'm gonna try putting some of this on. It's got the Siling Labuyo. It's made in Rego Park, Queens. Cool. Just got the Filipino pepper in it. Let's try that.
You like the chili sauce?
Yes, I like the chili. Well, we'll see. Maybe I can handle it. Maybe I can't. See how spicy this is. Okay. That's spicy. Oh, it's good though. Just like wakes everything up. Let's add a little tuba. So now you get the spicy tuba chili thing going on. It's like choose your own adventure. What else is back here? This is fun. Calamansi. Really, this is the way every restaurant should be. Let's try a little calamansi. I love how they have all the condiments. The first time I've seen every condiment on the table, except for one time in somewhere in Jersey, I think. This is like gives a nice like bitterness. So the reason that tastes so good is you have sweet, sour, salty, bitter, umami is like your 5 flavors. So this has shrimp paste, which is umami. It's got salt. You've got your bitter here with your calamansi. You've got your sweet happening with the coconut milk. You can add a little bit more vinegar with your tuba. So it's really hitting all 5 flavor profiles. And you've got your chili if you want spicy. I'm telling you, Filipino food, you don't talk about flavor, it's not bland. What's this? Let's just try every condiment. This is spicy garlic tuyo in vinegar, which is, I think, the fish. Let's try all the condiments. What's happening here? So now you add, I guess this is going to be sort of dried fish. Whoa. That's got big kick. Umami. This is a condiment blog. What's this? Sauteed shrimp paste? Don't mind if I do. I'm gonna put you down. Let's try some straight bagoong. Oh my gosh. I never knew it was so like mild straight on. That's great. I never knew it was so easy to eat just as a condiment. What else? I think that's too far. The cheesy spread. I'll just stay away from that this time. Okay, there's the back of the fork technique. We always learn. It's the most exciting thing we've learned. Back of the fork to the spoon. Okay, I was also gifted this Longganisa, or thrown on the plate, so let's try this. Sweetened pinkarat, which I don't think I've tried, and I think you're supposed to put a little on Longganisa. Everyone always says Longganisa and vinegar. Let's see what happens here. Oh. Acidic, fatty, sweet pork or chicken sausage. Longganisa. I think I've been calling it Longganisa. Longganisa. That is amazing. This stuff, I've only ever had the regular one. The sweetened one's delicious. That was crazy good. What's all over here? This is malunggay leaves. I think this is like a horseradish leaf. Sambong tea. They're fully stocked. That was delicious. I leave it here? Yeah. Okay, thank you. It was absolutely awesome. I need something sweet. You have like a chocolate or something? Oh, here. What's popular chocolate? This one? Chocolate nut?
Yeah, chocolate.
It's from the Philippines, this one?
Yeah.
Alright. What's this? Chick boy. Corn snack. Should just try this next. Yeah. I take a shot of this. What a good spot. Johnny Airmark. Okay, here's our chocolate nut. It's kind of a cool packaging. I've never tried this though. Probably popular in Philippines. Let's see. Oh, sweet, nutty, chocolatey. That was a good day. Beautiful Queens. Until next time.